If you weren't a human but a dog, you might be lying on a busy street, and even in a crowd of hundreds, no one would notice you. Driven by hunger, you'd search through trash cans for food. Whatever you found would be your only means of survival. You'd seek love from people, but instead, you'd receive kicks, rejection, and fear. On rainy nights, you'd shiver alone, with no roof over your head, no sense of safety. If an accident happened, you might lie on the road for hours, and no one would stop or look back. But you know, not all people are the same. Sometimes, a kind hand reaches out, offers a little food, a little affection, and that small bit of love becomes the whole world to that dog. So if you can show them a little kindness, because they feel too, they want to live too.